Yo, what's up, YouTube? Man, it's 11:47. My voice is fucked up. Don't know why. I hope I'm not sick. Pray to God. As y'all see in the title, though, let's get straight into it, man. We're gonna go get my mom a brand new phone today. She got a motherfucking flip phone right now, and we about to change that. So after I get done getting ready, trying to fix my voice, look presentable, we're gonna hit the stuff. Yo, my voice is still a little tanky, ranky. You see, we on the move. You on the move, you know what that means? It's about $90. About $90. You don't believe? Oh, you don't what? You don't believe me? Let me get this wind and stuff. Look, what? Hey guys, you hear it all? I ain't scared. What's up, everything? Big dog right there. Yeah. Touch screen. It's card. I have to put it together and activate it and stuff.
Okay, this is like a mint card. Unlimited chocolate chips. Looks nice, ugly.
Trying to get you a new phone, because your flip phone is terrible.
Yeah. People can call, but I can't dial nothing because the screen on it's in there charging now. Dad was gonna call me back to see if it'll ring when he called, but if not, the TV don't work. The screen messed up. It's gone.
Yeah, I need something for this. Hey,
I wouldn't go get another flip phone. That's a damn sure.
50.
I did it. I got to put all my numbers in there.
Car was 20, so you just gotta pay 20 every month. Turn it back on. Keep it on.
Keep that, so I never really know me.
No, you can't let none of them play with this one.
I know. They already got two. See that? Here's his.
No, none of them play. Touch it.
Then you got one just like it.
Oh, what?
It says moral motto. Watch it. Oh, it ain't even charging.
It don't say that. This is.
What the hell I say? That's what you get. It didn't say how they're old. I have to wait for that. I've been doing too much. I'm not a front direction. Or you just gonna connect it, then it should all that stuff should be in there.
Nah, I don't turn.
But I have to, only thing I gotta do is put my numbers in there and learn how to dial. But I gotta have somebody in there to text or to call or to pop up for me to text.
You got a coin?
What is he doing? Take the picture of me. What's up with that? What do you put the camera on for?
Everybody takes a picture.
Why you got me on camera?
Huh?
Without my permission. I ain't talking about shit.
Nobody recording you?
You're damn lie. That's why he's stuck. What you recording me for?
Ain't nobody recording you. He just holding that to.
I hope it bless you. Whatever the hell you recording, I hope it bless you. I really do, and I hope to teach you a lesson.
This is my YouTube, right? As y'all can see, man, she really ain't a photogenic person, so she started to trip out for a minute, man. Oh, she had to trip out on this nigga, man. She funny as hell, dog. So, yeah, we about to get that phone set up. Got my doggies outside. If you're new to the video, man, like, subscribe. If you came back and you still watching and you ain't subscribed, man, what is you doing, bruh? Hit that bell, ain't that right? Hit that bell, boy. That nigga look dead up here, boy.
That bell, boy.
Hit that bell, boy. The rocket.